Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. First of all, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So first step is you must read GoTranscription guideline rule to pass the GoTranscript audio test. Without reading and applying these transcription guidelines into GoTranscript audio test, you never pass GoTranscript audio test. You must apply all these GoTranscription guideline rules before submitting the audio test. After reading this transcription guideline, you easily pass GoTranscript audio test. So you must read these transcription guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test exam. So after reading all these transcription guidelines, let's move to the audio test. I already transcribed the audio file and you need to apply all these transcription guideline rules before submitting the audio test. So let's move to the audio file and let's start the audio.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Okay, my realtor just told me this story about her visit to the GoTranscript offices in Antarctica last year. It kind of made me wonder if she was just funning me. She said she was there to lay some barbed wire along the border of a farm because there was a nuclear facility next door and the dingoes were mutating and playing the cornet at night. Frankly, I thought maybe she'd got a hold of some bad mayonnaise, but she insisted it was all true. She even said she'd sign an affidavit if I didn't believe her. So I told her to go on. After leaning into the foliage behind the GoTranscript offices and sipping her espresso, she asked me if I wanted to hear more. I said yeah, so away we went. She said she'd just come back from the library where she'd asked the librarians if they thought they might be able to reopen by next February. They had to consult their supervisors, but unfortunately the GoTranscript hierarchical overlords weren't working that day. Even if they'd wanted to do some kind of business, their carpool tunnel was acting up, so it wasn't going to happen. Them Australians was seriously thinking of calling in the cavalry because after they finished playing the cornets, them dingoes started stealing jewelry from nearby businesses. GoTranscript really needed to nip the whole thing in the bud, but they were on tender hooks trying to figure out an action plan. Finally, after letting the whole idea percolate in her mind overnight, and having a little sherbet she'd found in the refrigerator at GoTranscript to help her calm down after the espresso, the realtor came up with an idea. She pointed out that the whole purpose of having the nuclear facility there in the first place was to get rid of the local wildlife. Their goals were one and the same, so why worry? After all that, she kind of wanted a memento of her trip. So she bought the Australian Guide to Correct Pronunciation at the airport tourist shop. They charged her $20 AUD. She said, fair go, mate, but to be honest, she wondered if they'd mistaken her for a Seppo. Now it may be deemed brazen that this relator should venture to give to the public an account of personal adventures in a land which has so often been descanted upon by other and abler pens. But when I reflect on the many mamas, wives, and sisters in GoTranscript, whose hearts are ever longing for information respecting the dangers and privations to which their relatives at the antipodes are exposed, I figure, why not? Can't hurt.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like this video and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.